Do you want to be a soccer player, or a good pilot, or something else? Use then the new chewing gum of awesomeness. With this chewing gum, you can get everything you want. The ingredients of this product are very secret, but I will tell you anyway. It's made of bug blood. This blood gives you the power for everything you want. The second ingredient is mint that gives you the mint flavor, and it gives the gum a white color. The use of chewing gum is very easy. You bite 10 times and just say what you want. It's easy, I told you. For example, we have a video from people that have used it.
Look at this! What's this?
It is chewing gum of awesomeness.
What does it do?
It does everything.
Whoa, awesome! Daddy!
What's wrong with you?
I need some money!
For what?
A stool trip!
Oh, okay. Here.
Thank you, Daddy!
You're welcome, my son.
Dumbass! Hey, man!
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I want that one!
That one?
Yes!
Are you kidding me?
No?
But this one is only for rich people, Muslim people like you.
I have enough money! Loot!
Alright. Give me the money. Oh, but what? Wait, one question. How do you get that money?
Shut up and leave me alone!
Okay, have a nice day, my friend.
Fuck you!
What the hell? Look, the goal is there. However, okay, why?
Wait! Hey man, what's wrong?
My father only likes me if I can play football.
Really?
Yes, I can play football.
Oh, just show me what you done. Just show me. Oh no. He's right. Your father is right. You can't play soccer. But I have this.
What's that?
For the commercial, you know?
Oh yes, I know.
Do you want some?
Yes, of course.
Just bite 10 times and say what you want. Alright?
Okay, wait 10 seconds and then play that ball and just play with it.
It was good.
Whoa, it works, man! Oh man, you're awesome!
Go!
Wait! Keep going! I go to... Keep going! Your son, it's really good! You must see it! Go!
My son?
Yes, your son! You must see it!
Sorry, this is confusion. I think that you didn't see my son.
Set yourself. Look, look. Trouble.
Okay, let's go to the.
Hey man, what's wrong?
He's very poorly.
Yeah, I have no money and my parents put me on the streets.
Am I sitting here?
I say that, I have no money.
But we can help you.
How?
What is this? It's from TV. The commercial. On TV.
What the hell? I live in the nature. I have no TV. I will tell you. This is the new awesome chewing gum. If you bid 10 times, you can say what you want and
Really? Yes.
I can't believe it.
Just.
Okay, what did he say? Oh yeah, 10 times bid. Please, I wish that I was rich.
Look at your pocket. You find a blackberry and keys for from a house across the street.
That's it. Huh? It's unbelievable. Okay. The house.
And do you like your new house?
Yeah, very much. And the crazy thing is, I have a house.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Yes.
but thank you, friends.
Oh, you're welcome, man.
Yeah,
Yes.
But it became dark, so I went home.
yeah, you're right. I think so. I go.
Bye, bye. Thank you for everything, man.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank
And,
you.
and don't forget, the gum works. So buy it. Hello, my son. How was your school trip?
It was very boring, but the gum was very good. Yeah, it was good.
Oh, okay.
And I have two new friends.
My son. Great friends. Look at your watch. We're going to eat.
Oh, yes.
For example, there are some people that use it. So use it too. Grab some money and go to a store and buy it too. Try it.